Assalamu alaikum. Today we will teach you how to make a pizza quickly. Step number 1. Ready pizza dough. First of all, you will take ready pizza dough and let it become unfrozen. Step 2. Chicken marination. Take 250 grams of chicken and make sure that it is marinated properly. Marinate for 15 minutes. Step number 3. Vegetables. Cut onions and tomatoes and make sure that onions are salted and then washed properly. Step number 4. Chicken cooking. Take the marinated material and fry it in a frying pan. Then put the lid on the frying pan and give it a bit of heating. This material will look like this in the end when it will be prepared. Step number 5. Pizza sauce coating. Now put pizza sauce on the dough. Step number 6. Cheese coating. Now coat the dough with cheese and you can see it looks like this. Step number 7. Chicken coating. Now coat with a layer of chicken on top. Step number 8. Now vegetable coating will be done and it will look like this, as you can see. Step number 9. Cheese coating. Now put a layer of cheese over the top and make sure that it looks exactly like this. Step number 10. Baking. Use microwave for this process and initially cook for 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Keep on cooking till you find that your pizza is completely cooked and is not unprepared as yet. And when you are sure that your pizza is completely ready, stop the microwave and let the pizza become enough handleable so that you should be able to take it out from the microwave easily. It should be looking exactly like this, as you can see here. Step number 11. When your pizza is completely ready. This is how your final pizza would look, but you have to make sure that it should